Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to add custom fonts to your Shopify store, then this is the right video for you. To get this done, you need to follow a few steps, and I'll walk you through it. Step 1 is to download the web font version of your font. Make sure the font files include WOFF and WOFF2 file types. Step 2 is to go to your Shopify admin and go to Online Store, then Themes. Next to the theme you want to edit, click Actions, and then Edit Code. Then in the sidebar, choose Assets, then theme.scss.liquid. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and put in the code as shown here. After that, follow the step as shown on the screen. You can pause the video to see the step. On step 3, go to Assets folder and click Add a new asset. Upload each version of the font file one by one. Then on step 4, you need to determine which text or heading will use the new font. Then open your website on a new tab. After that, select the text or heading you want to use the font in, and then right-click on it and select Inspect. After that, go through the steps shown here. You can pause the video or take a screenshot. After it's done, just save your changes and refresh your website. Your new custom font will be updated. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.